Welcome to my channel Knowledge Diary. I am your host R.K. Sharma. Dear all, today we are talking about some auxiliary anomalous verbs. In this video, we will discuss about the use of auxiliaries, modal verbs, and I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. We are going to discuss here with a tricky question. So let us proceed without wasting our time. We are going to discuss about the modal can, and there are 24 verbs in English, and out of these 24 there are some modal verbs which we call modals also, and can is one of them. Here we are going to discuss about the different meanings of can. Can has the meaning of ability to know how, ability or capacity. It means know how. It is given in the following example: I can dance. I know how to dance. This can be changed into past in this manner. If you want to change can into past, it will be changed in this way: I could dance well when I was younger. The next is, this can also be expressed in this manner. See how? I was able to dance well when I was young. The next, if we wish to emphasize the idea of ability, when I was young denotes us the idea of ability when I was young. Now the next use of can is, can also has the meaning of permission and possibility. Here is an example: we can go as soon as we like. This can be changed into past in the following manner. See here, we could go out whenever we wanted. We were allowed to go out whenever we wanted. इसको इस तरीके से भी लिखा जा सकता। तो हमने यहाँ पर देखा कैन के दो रूपों को। अब आप देखेंगे कि इसको आगे कैसे डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स में एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी के माध्यम से हम ये देखेंगे कैसे इसको चेंज किया जा सकता है। So here is an activity. Put these sentences in the past using was able when the adverb supplied shows that the meaning is ability, and could when the meaning is permission. दो बातें यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि अगर वो ability को बता रहा है तो आपको was का यूज, was were का यूज करना है, और अगर permission का बता रहा है तो आपको could का बताना है. So here is your first sentence. Zaya can visit her club whenever her father let her. मतलब इसमें पिताजी की परमिशन है जया के लिए. Now that it will be changed into Jaya could visit her club. ठीक है? Next. She says I can go if my friend agrees. Here the permission of friend is required. So she said I could go. Now the next. Meera can cook well. Now this shows the ability when she took the trouble. So it will be changed into Meera was able to cook well. Next. We can see the neighbor's house before the trees grew so big. It also expresses the ability. We were able to see the neighbor's house Raja can play football before he broke his leg. It shows the ability. It means it will be supplied with was or were. So here is the answer. Raja was able to play football. The next is his daughter can do arithmetic when she was only 5. So it was showing the ability, the showing ability. Now just see, his daughter was able to do arithmetic. Next, Hema can borrow money provided that she promised to repay. So it will be changed. Hema could borrow money because provided that she promised to repay is a kind of permission. Next, Sarla says they can come every Saturday morning. It's a kind of permission. Sarla said they could come. So whenever permission is there, we use could. And when the ability is there, we show was. Mahesh agrees that they can drive the car if they were 17. Now, Mahesh agreed that they could drive the car. I'm sure they can't understand because it was too difficult. It is expressing ability. So, I'm sure that they weren't able to understand. Next, we can play in the garden, Mother said. And the answer is, we could play in the garden. Some more exercises for you in the same manner. Whenever you are expressing ability, you have to use was or were as the requirement of the subject and could when we will discuss about permission. तो देखिए, they can't talk to each other because her father had forbidden for it. Now permission is not granted. पिताजी का forbidden हो गया. So here they couldn't talk to each other. Next, they can't talk to each other because the telephone was out of order. So different type of meaning is here. They weren't able to talk to each other. Now look here, both of these sentences. In the first sentence, we are discussing about the permission. But in the second sentence, we are discussing about the ability because the telephone was out of order, so they were not in position to talk. इसलिए यहाँ पर हम could और were का यूज कर सकते हैं. Next is they can buy a new car. Now that they were rich, so it is showing the ability. They were able to buy a new car. Next, my father says we can buy some sweets because we have been good. So my father said we could buy some sweets. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you got it. In the next video, we will discuss with the next model, and we will take some more models. So keep watching videos. Till then, have a nice time.